Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a special Cantonese word that's hard to translate. 斬鬼，大家好，今日想同大家介紹一個好斬鬼嘅粵語詞，斬鬼。It's a term full of charm and let's explore its magic together through this video. First, let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. The word is spelled 斬鬼 in Cantonese 拼音。首先學發音，斬是讚嘅上聲，鬼發音要短促有力。斬 has a falling then rising tone, similar to Mandarin. 讚鬼 is short and sharp, don't drag the sound. 再聽一次，斬鬼。Now, let's talk about its meaning. 斬鬼 is used to describe people or things that are funny, witty, cute or delightful. 呢個詞嘅意思好豐富，唔單止係有趣，仲有精靈可愛嘅感覺。What makes it special is the playful and charming vibe it carries. It's not just a simple translation of interesting, it's more vivid and full of local flavor. Let's look at two real-life examples to understand better now. First example, 呢個小朋友好斬鬼 which means this kid is so witty and cute. You can use this to praise a clever and lovely child. 比如見到一個好精靈嘅小朋友，就可以講呢個小朋友好斬鬼。Second example, 佢講嘅笑話好斬鬼 translated as the joke he told is really delightful and funny. It fits when something makes you laugh happily. 朋友講咗個好好笑嘅笑話，就可以話佢講嘅笑話好斬鬼。Why is 斬鬼untranslatable? Because it's deeply rooted in Cantonese culture. It reflects the optimistic and playful personality of people in Cantonese-speaking regions. Translating it simply as funny or cute would lose the unique warmth and local touch. 呢個詞承載咗粵語區人嘅俏皮同樂觀，翻譯成英文或者普通話就少咗份地道嘅親切感。接下嚟，我會幫你用人物對話更好理解斬鬼嘅使用。喂，你睇嗰邊個小朋友響度扮超人跳嚟跳去，真係好斬鬼喎！係啊，個斗篷仲放咗半邊，仲一般正經咁擺 pose， 斬鬼到你。講起斬鬼字嘅，我喺間文創店入邊嘅裝飾全部都係粵語時口語，斬鬼到我睇咗成半個鐘。哇，咁呢間鋪最斬鬼啦！唔單止得意，仲可以學到嘢，下次要帶我去試下呀！